अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर व्यूवर्स, उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। इस वीडियो में हम कंप्यूटर के टॉप 30 प्लस बेसिक एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। ये एमसीक्यूज तमाम एग्ज़ाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसीलिए वीडियो को बिल्कुल स्किप मत कीजिएगा, वीडियो को पूरा वॉच कीजिएगा। चलो डोंट वेस्ट टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट। वेलकम टू वर्ल्ड ऑफिशियल टाइम्स। Who is the father of computer? A. James Gosling. B. Charles Babbage. C. Dennis Ritchie. D. Benjamin Stroustrup. Correct option is B. Charles Babbage. Which of the following is the correct abbreviation of computer? A. Commonly occupied machines used in technical and educational research. B. Commonly operated machines used in technical and environmental research. C. Commonly oriented machines used in technical and educational research. D. Commonly operated machines used in technical and educational research. Correct option is D. Commonly operated machines used in technical and educational research. Which of the following is the correct definition of computer? A. Computer is a machine or device that can be programmed to perform arithmetical or logical operation sequences automatically. B. Computer understands only binary language, which is written in the form of 0s and 1s. C. Computer is a programmable electronic device that stores, retrieves, and processes the data. D. All of the mentioned. Correct option is D. All of the mentioned. What is the full form of CPU? A. Computer processing unit. B. Computer principal unit. C. Central processing unit. D. Control processing unit. Correct option is C. Central processing unit. Which of the following language does the computer understand? A. Computer understands only C language. B. Computer understands only assembly language. C. Computer understands only binary language. D. Computer understands only basic. Correct option is C. Computer understands only binary language. Which of the following computer language is written in binary codes only? A. Pascal. B. Machine language. C. D. CH. Correct option is B. Machine language. Which of the following is the brain of computer? A. Central processing unit. B. Memory. C. Arithmetic and logic unit. C. Control unit. Correct option is A. Central processing unit. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a computer? A. Versatility. B. Accuracy. C. Diligence. D. IQ. Correct option is D. IQ. Intelligence question. Which of the following is the smallest unit of data in a computer? A. Bit. B. KB. C. D. Byte. Correct option is A. Bit. Which of the following unit is responsible for converting the data received from the user into a computer understandable format? A. Output unit. B. Input unit. C. Memory unit. D. Arithmetic and logic unit. Correct option is B. Input unit. Which of the following monitor looks like a television and are normally used with non-portable computer system? A. LED. B. LCD. C. CRT. D. Flat panel monitor. Correct option is C, CRT. CRT means cathode ray tube. Which of the following is not a type of computer code? A. EDIC, B. ASCII, C. BCD, D. EBCDIC. Correct option is A. EDIC. Which of the following part of a processor contains the hardware necessary to perform all the operations required by a computer? A. Controller, B. Registers, C. Cache, D. Data path. Correct option is D. Data path. Which of the following is designed to control the operation of a computer? A. User, B. Application software, C. System software, D. Utility software. Correct option is C. System software. Which of the following devices use positional notation to represent a decimal number? A. Pascaline, B. Abacus, C. Computer, D. Calculator. Correct option is B. Abacus. Which of the following is used in EBCDIC? A. Supercomputers, B. Mainframes, C. Machine codes, D. Programming. Correct option is B. Mainframes. Which of the following are physical devices of a computer? A. Hardware, B. Software, C. System software, D. Package. Correct option is A. Hardware. Which of the following storage is a system where a robotic arm will connect or disconnect offline mass storage media according to computer operating demands? A. Magnetic, B. Secondary, C. Virtual, D. Tertiary. Correct option is D. Tertiary. Which of the following is known as the interval between the instant a computer makes a request for the transfer of data from a disk system to the binary storage and the instant the operation is completed? A. Disk utilization time, B. Drive utilization time, C. Disk access time, D. Disk arrival time. Correct option is C. Disk access time. Which of the following device provides the communication between a computer and the outer world? A. Compact, B. I/O, C. Drivers, D. Storage. Correct option is I/O, means input by output. Which of the following are the input devices that enables direct data entry into a computer system from source documents? A. System access devices, B. Data acquiring devices, C. Data retrieving devices, D. Data scanning devices. Correct option is D. Data scanning devices. Which of the following is the device used for converting maps, pictures, and drawings into digital form for storage in computer? A. Image scanner, B. Digitalizer, C. MIRC, D. Scanner. Correct option is B. Digitalizer. Which of the following can access the server? A. Web client, B. User, C. Web browser, D. Web server. Correct option is A. Web client. Which of the following is known as the language made up of binary code instruction? A. High level, B. Basic, C. C, D. Machine. Correct option is D. Machine. Which of the following package allows individuals to use personal computers for storing and retrieving their personal information? A. Personal assistance package. B. Graphics package. C. Spreadsheet package. D. Animation package. Correct option is A. Personal assistance package. Which of the following is created when a user opens an account in computer system? A. SFT. B. MFT. C. Subdirectory. D. RFT. Correct option is C. Subdirectory. Which of the following is a technique that marked the beginning of a computer communications? A. User environment. B. Batch environment. C. Time sharing. D. Message passing. Correct option is C. Time sharing. Which of the following is a type of technique in which dumb terminals are connected to a central computer system? A. Time sharing. B. Message passing. C. Batch environment. D. User environment. Correct option is A. Time sharing. Which of the following service allows a user to log into another computer somewhere on the internet? A. Email. B. Usenet. C. Telnet. D. FTP. Correct option is C. Telnet. Which of the following is not a type of computer on the basis of operation? A. Digital. B. Analog. C. Hybrid. D. Remote. Correct option is D. Which of the following type of computer is mostly used for automatic operation? A. Analog. B. Digital. C. Hybrid. D. Remote. Correct option is C. Hybrid. Which of the following invention gave birth to the much cheaper microcomputers? A. PDS. B. Microprocessors. C. Microcomputers. D. Mainframes. Correct option is B. Microprocessors. Which of the following computers are lower than mainframe computers in terms of speed and storage capacity? A. Mainframes. B. Hybrid. C. Mini. D. Super. Correct option is C. Mini. Which of the following is the first neural network computer? A. AN. B. AM. C. RFT. D. SNRC. Correct option is D. SNARC.